Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove all tags at once on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And before I show you how we can remove all tags at once on Instagram, I'm going to show you guys the post I have been tagged. I'm going to open up my Instagram profile and we can go to the section. All right, and then these are the posts I have been tagged in. And wait, I'm going to show you how we can remove the tag on a specific post. Let's say I want to remove my tag on this post, so we can click on this post and then we can click on these three dots on the top right and go to the tag options, and then you can choose either you want to remove yourself from the post or you can hide it from your profile. You can choose this option if you don't want to remove yourself but you want to make the tagged post disappear from your profile. Okay, and now it's time to show you guys how we can remove all tags at once. If you want to remove all tag at once, you can go to the Instagram setting. You can click on these three lines on the top right and you're going to go to your activity. Okay, and then you can select tags. Okay, go to the tags menu and here you can choose tagged or pending tags, and we can go to the tagged. Okay, and as you can see, these are the posts I have shown you before. And if you want to remove all tags from all the posts, you can click on select and then you can select all like this, and then you can simply click on remove, or you can hide it from your profile. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to select the post and you're going to remove it or hide it. And if you don't want to remove them all, if you just want to remove some of them, you can just click on select and then you can select the post you want to remove and click on remove. Okay, and here you'll be able to filter it as well. Just go to the filter here. You can sort it here, and then you can filter the post here. You can filter by date or filter by other. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove all tags at once on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.